So, welcome to Bugo Center's YouTube official. This one, we're gonna make wing design or 3D model of the wing of the Boeing 737 and 737. And we just make with this software CATIA V5. I'm so sorry, V5 R21, and yeah. Just let's get started. The first one, we have to know about the airfoil. We know that the wing uh, is made by sections. Okay, and in the Boeing 737 that I got, the section of this wing is this one. For type of the airfoil section. But in this tutorial, we're gonna make simple. We just take this one, BAC 449 on the root, and BAC 442 for on the outboard airfoil or wingtip. Okay, we just um, got this airfoil section, and then what's doing next is check the specification. Okay, specification I got on this gensmegavia.com. The wingspan is 34.31 meter, and with winglet 35.79, and the wing chord, this one is important for us. It's on the chord 5.71 meter, and at the tip, wing chord at the tip is 1.25. Okay. After this, we check on the Google the BAC 449 airfoil. Okay, BAC 449 airfoil. This one. We got the on the airfoil tools. Okay, we got this. Is it okay? And then the outboard, this one. We got it. Okay, this one the outboard, and this one is the base. Okay, the base of the BAC triple X in it. This one. And okay, we just going to airfoil plotter. After this, we just change the chord of the airfoil. Okay, the chord is this one in the millimeter. Okay, unit. We just where is at the root 5.71 meter or 571. Okay. Okay, and then we just wait a minute. Okay, plot. Okay, after this airfoil plotter plotted our airfoil, we just going to CSV file of coordinate. Okay, then the browser download this. Okay, after that, and then we just change the chord again on the add tip. $1,250 millimeter. Plot this one, then done. After this, CSV file of coordinate, but we are just waiting for this. Check this one. Okay. We got, after we downloaded the airfoil coordinate on the airfoil tools, we got the XY coordinate of our Boeing airfoil on the road. Okay, this one. So my connection. Okay, the second one is this. Okay, we got this. After that, we just going to, oh, by the way, this is the CATIA V5R21. We go to, wait a minute, we go to mechanical design, and then I'm sorry, shape, and then generative shape design. After that, we minimize this CATIA, and then we go to JSD point shortcut. But this file is on the this one. You can search on the local disk, your system disk, and then you go to program file x86, then B21, Intel_A code and command, and we got this GSD_point spleen log from Excel. Okay, let's close this, open it. After we open, already open, we are delete this. Okay, and then just move it, and you know what, this is X, Y, and Z. Okay, we are going to the BAC on the root, copy this coordinate to our GSD file that we gonna import to CATIA to make airfoil and make a wing. Copy and then paste on that, and just drag and drop this one. Okay, the first one you have to check our coordinate XY. Okay, and I wanna make this airfoil on the XZ. Okay, XZ. This Y coordinate, I just wanna drag and drop here, and then in the Y coordinate on the root, we have to just 0 0 0 0. Then drag and drop. After this, we're gonna do view. Okay, view, and then macros, this one, and this fill main, and GSD point spleen line, and run. We just type, if we are gonna import with the just point, and the second is for point and spleen, and the third for point, spleen, and log. But I'm gonna just point and split. Okay. Okay. After that, after our import are done, already done, already finished, check on your CATIA that the point and the line are imported. But you know what? There is before that we just got the what is that? The error message because the first one I just wrong open the window, but you just close it the window and then start again and then choose the generative shape, this one, generative on the shape and just generative shape design. After that we open again the Excel and then we are um, uh, start log and then this one macros and then start fill main and then the macros in, just change the JSD point splinter love, this one, and then run. Okay, the second one we have to import the tip coordinate. Just copy this one, copy, and then we're gonna do GSD and then this one dy, just after this the y coordinate that is there is the wingspan, this one with the millimeter uh, unit. Okay, 3431. Sorry. Wait a minute. 34 okay 3431 and then just this one. Okay, we got this and to going to view macros, fill main and run and choose the 4.9 and this one will run and we can check that one. Okay, after we already import the airfoil coordinate to our CATIA V5 R21, we just check our import are already finished and then check it again. Okay, it's going okay. We're gonna make after this, going to the site, check that point are connect, but this one is not connected. We just connect with this line. Okay, wait, I'm sorry with my mouse. Okay, just this point and this point. Okay, then going to the second one, the second airfoil on the wingtip. Just connect this to this. Okay. By the way, now we are just learn together. Okay. But if there is something error, we just find out the solution again together. After that, we just going to the multi-section surface. Okay, multi-section surface, and then just choose this and this. But maybe error. No, okay, because I just usually use the guide for multi-section that we are connect this section, the first section and the second section with the line, some line, okay. But it's okay, just that after this one. But we know that in the inside is empty, not a field. We just okay, just fill the um, inside. Okay, but this is open gap. Okay, this one is open. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, forgot. Okay, wait a minute. After before that, after we connect the airfoil with the line, we have to make a they are made join together with this tool, join together. Okay, and then same way, same way, and then just push the control and then join. Okay, just okay. After that, going to multi-section again, and then to join this one, join this multi-section and that one, the second one, and then preview. Okay, if you are done, you just take this one and make a fill on it. Okay, there is no open gap. Okay, there is no open gap, but close contour, and then okay, and then the second one you just scroll and fill it again. Check. Okay, close contour. Okay, after that we are already make a wing of the Boeing, but not a realistic profile. But this is the simple one with the airfoil based on the Boeing 737 with the cord and uh, the different cord on the root and then on the tip. After that, we're gonna do mechanical design and part design. We just made this like the shape that is just surface this one to be a part that we can assemble. After that, we just wait a minute. Go into this. Okay, we just close. Choose the this model to close surface. Okay, and then okay, okay, and then well, after we already that, we just uh, inactive this our height is okay. That's done. We are done. Made this wing, but not a real wing, profile wing. But this is can be useful for you to make a wing with a CATIA V5R21. Okay, that's all. Or but if you just hide again. Okay. But if you are mm, interested with our content, our tutorial on the how to make a 3D model, especially on the aircraft, we just like and comment there that you are wanna hear me or watch me to make a video tutorial for CATIA V5 or 21 or maybe another software like SolidWorks. Okay, that's all with our video. Uh, Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you.